Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Jeevna and welcome to my channel called Glamhairous, where I make videos on hairstyles, beauty and more. And this video is about a DIY and how I transformed my old bag into a new boho bag. If you have seen my previous video, I bought some borders from that particular store and just stuck on this old bag. And look at this, how beautifully it transformed into. It looks so beautiful. If you pair it with your kurtas, then it's gonna look so good. This DIY is so easy that you can do within a day. In a 1 to 2 hours, this bag is done. Can you believe it? If you have all the materials it needed, then it's gonna be very easy. Coming to the video, this is how it looks before and this is the after. This is the length of the bag and how it looks when you wear it. These are the borders that I used to stick on the bag. First of all, cut the borders into half. Like so, cut all of the borders. This is to ensure that you get equal amounts on both sides of the bag. First, I tried it with glue gun, but it was a failed attempt. This is to only show you, don't try it with other glue. Instead, use a fabric glue. For this color, I am going to remove both sides of the border. And I am going to stick it on either corner of the bag. Firstly, I am going to stick the pink border by applying a fabric glue on the back side of the border. And then stick it in the middle of the bag, like so. Repeat the same. And then stick it like so. You don't need so much of explanation. Just watching the video is enough, as it is very easy. I'm gonna fold the corner. As I'm gonna stick this border on the both sides of the bag so that it correctly fits on the bag. You can even cut it into diagonal shape. Now attach the dark pink border, as it goes very well with both sides of the border. Folding is inconvenient, so that I'm cutting the border into diagonal shape and sticking like so. I'm gonna attach the orange border like shown in the video. I'm gonna attach this thin border like shown in the video. I'm gonna fold it inside on either sides of the border and attach it. The extra end can be folded inwards. Attach the red border, as it really complements the remaining colors. I'm gonna take the size and cut it into half. And also cut the border like so to properly fit into the place. The tassels came along with the bag. This is how it looks. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the back side. It sticks very well on the back side as there is no embroidery. gonna cut the strap as it is too long for me and I don't want this long strap. And I'm gonna stick it with fabric glue and also stitch it with thread, as it's not gonna stay with the glue. I'm gonna attach the straps to the bags as well. You can attach the remaining borders, the cut pieces, everything you can attach on the strap. That's it, we are done with our DIY boho bag. Bye you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this DIY video of this boho bag. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends and support me and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye bye.